And this doesn't look like a ton of fun. My man trying to keep his distance, and now he's gonna sit it down. This is not my idea of a good time on a PWC, but hey, to each their own. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today, we are visiting 79th. And I'm not sure where he's going. There's no room on the dock up there. I guess he's just going to put it right on the concrete. Gotta be careful with that much weight on the ski. Our guy's going for the lean. He kind of falls off. And the driver was leaning over too. I'm not sure. Oh, big boy's in. Down he goes. They had it going one way. They brought it back too fast. And the thing just fell over. Now here's my real confusion state here. This other ski looks like they're with him, and it looks like it's one dude with two chicks. You guys couldn't split that up a little bit? And our guy gets it together enough to kind of hold the ski up. Maybe somebody's had a little too much fun out at the sandbar today. He actually doesn't look like that though. I think it's just the slickness of the ramp that's kind of got him. Let's see how they do unloading the three people off the other ski. Oh, he slips again. What an odd arrangement on the way they chose to come back, though, yeah. And you feel like you could have probably split this up just a little bit differently. And that would have split the weight up a little differently on the ski before anybody reads too far into that as well. It would have definitely made the operation a little easier, so... We're going to slowly walk one of the ladies up the ramp to make sure that she doesn't slip. Our second lady's starting to slide off the ski here. And it's definitely slick down here. We already know that. You definitely got to be careful. But man, our guy just wound up eating it pretty solid. Oh yeah, we got it. And our crew's gonna pack it up, and it looks like they're gonna head back out onto the bay. But I mean, I guess I don't want to say disaster avoided because that was a blast to watch. But nobody got hurt. That's always the key. I thought he was gonna hit the jet ski behind him here for a second as well, but nope. There we go. He'll get it out of here. Spray his buddy on the way out and keep it moving. So this red boat's been kind of hanging out here for several minutes now, probably 10 minutes. We've let several boats pass them, and the last boat that passed them actually asked if they needed help. They told them no, but something is definitely wrong. I just can't tell what. In other words, they've had a couple shots to try and make their way toward a dock, but for some reason, they've not done that. And I can't tell if they're having a tough time turning or if one of these engines is stuck in gear. They definitely both aren't because I've seen them be able to go back and forward. Not seeing a whole lot of steering, though. Is it a steering issue? It's tough to tell. They've kind of been just staying stationary up until this point, and the only thing I can really determine is that something is wrong. I mean, we're definitely getting a little bit of steering, so it's not like steering is completely gone. But our crew is having a tough go of it. And these guys are going to pass them on the inside as well. But these two crews were talking, so I don't know if maybe they're together or not. And maybe this guy's going to try and give my man a hand on getting in. But he's only made one attempt at the dock so far, and that first attempt, it just was not a good one. But that, like I said, something I think is just definitely off. Maybe he's only got one motor running. It's tough to tell with it getting dark out here. I can't really see it that great. So he's back into the holding pattern again. The boat that skipped him on the inside's coming in on the dock. Let's see how their approach is. Our guy goes with the over and out method. That'll work to get him on. Cap's leaving the helm. And once again, they're talking to the guys over here in the red boat. So it looks like something's definitely on. These guys are going to try and give him a hand getting in. So Cab's grabbing a line and trying to get as much as he can, obviously. Fairly long line. Here comes our crew in the red boat, coming in a little hot. Once again, you can see Captain is just struggling with something, though. And it looks like it might just be the one motor deal. It looks like we've only got one motor actually operational, and we talked about this before on this channel. That's really tough. Because the second motor, it just doesn't look like it's producing any power. It might be stuck in neutral, it might be off, I can't really tell again. But here we go, he's just going to try and call it close and see if he can get this crew to toss a line to him. Goes for the toss, and the miss on the first one. Cap's going to move it in a little closer, try and help him out a little bit. Second toss, and we got a grab. And hopefully that'll be enough to get this crew over here. And they look like they should be good to go, and they should be able to get out of here from here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode on Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.